Hello, my name is Attorney Jonathan Perazzo. I am the founder of the Perazzo Law Firm. Thank you for visiting our site. I hope that you find it informative and you find the information that you're looking for. I'm here to talk to you today about trucking and 18-wheeler accidents. Unfortunately, these are some of the worst types of accidents that we encounter on the road because the weights of some of these rigs are incredible, and the speeds that they can travel and the damage they can cause, really, they're usually catastrophic in nature and very unfortunate when they happen. Generally speaking, the carriers typically have about $1 million of coverage, so in that case, whatever damages they cause are usually compensable. However, the damages they cause are usually pretty severe. Truckers drive very long hours, and there are very strict guidelines with respect to how long they can actually be on the road. Sometimes, due to their logs, you can find that they may have been driving illegally and for too many hours. It's not an uncommon practice. Unfortunately, this can lead to very serious accidents which can injure you or someone that you love. That's why it's very important that you hire a competent legal team to be behind you during this, what may be the worst time of your life. Feel free to browse the site, and if you still have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 888-PERAZZO. Thank you.